Okay, so this is equal to, I'm going to write, so e to the power x plus e to the minus x squared. So it's like a plus b squared is a squared, e to the x squared is e to the 2x, plus e to the minus x squared is e to the minus 2x, plus 2 times e to the x times e to the minus x. What is e to the x times e to the minus x? What is e to the x times e to the minus x?
X plus x.
X minus x. Which is 0. E to the 0 is 1. So it's just plus 2 over 4 minus, so we do the same thing. But now we have e to the 2x plus e to the minus 2x. Now you have minus 2 times e to the power x, e to the minus x is minus 2 over 4. So when you subtract, e to the 2x is gone, e to the minus 2x is gone, but you get 2 minus 2 over 4, which is equal to 1. Okay? So that is a typical example for your test. Good. So the last topic is just how to solve exponential or logarithmic equations. So you can have different type of problems for solving equation, exponential or logarithmic equation. So let me do some examples. So I want you to solve for x, and the equation that we have is, say, sine hyperbolic of x equal to -4. So this is basically a exponential equation, because what is sine hyperbolic is e to the power x minus e to the minus x over 2, and is equal, you have to solve this, equal to -4. What a strategy you would use? So you can basically say e to the x minus e to the minus x is equal to -8. That means basically e to the x minus e to the minus x plus 8 equal to 0. Now, my question is, how would you solve this? Perfect. If you multiply this equation by e to the power x, so multiply the left-hand side by e to the power x and right-hand side with e to the power x. So on the left-hand side, you get e to the power x times e to the power x. You get e to the power 2x minus e to the power x times e to the minus x is just -1, and plus 8 times e to the power x equal to, right-hand side is 0 times e to the power x is just 0. So now what? So you have a new equation that is e to the power 2x plus 8 times e to the power x minus 1 equal to 0. How you proceed now? you can think of e to the power x as t. So it's basically a quadratic equation, because if you let e to the power x be t, then e to the 2x would be t squared. So you have t squared plus 8t. So I'm writing let t be e to the power x. Then you have t squared plus 8t minus 1 equal to 0. So what is the solutions of this equation, quadratic equation, in terms of t? Yeah, or you can say, yeah, one way is just say it's negative 4 plus minus 4 square 16 plus 1 is 17. These are the basically I'm using the quadratic formula, right? So you have two solutions. T equal to minus 4 minus square root of 17. So that means e to the power x, right? So if you want to write the solution in terms of e to the power x, is e to the power x equal to t, and e to the power x equal to t. Now, which one is actually the solution? Here we have two solutions. No, I am asking you, do we have two solutions?
No. E to the power x can't be negative.
E to the power, perfect. E to the power x can't be negative. So this is not a solution. Because e to the power x is always positive. So that means e to the power x is this guy. Minus 4 plus root 17. And this is a positive number. Do you know why this is positive number?
Because, square root 16 is 4.
And exactly, a square root of 17 is greater than 4. So perfect. It's positive. So this is a positive number. So what is x now? Ln, exactly. Ln of this guy. Minus 4 plus root 17. Okay? Now I want you to solve this equation. This is example 1, like A. B, 2 times sine hyperbolic of x plus cosine hyperbolic of x equal to 3. Solve this equation. So the interesting things about sine hyperbolic is that when later we will learn derivative. So we see that derivative of sine is cosine, derivative of cosine is minus sine. And also these guys have quite similar derivatives. So like derivative of sine hyperbolic is cosine hyperbolic. Derivative of cosine hyperbolic is sine hyperbolic. So these are very similar to trigonometric function in some respect. Okay. So later we will see, for example, we will learn how to find the derivative of these guys. Okay, so please solve this equation. This is basically an exponential equation, right?